Fortnite next Marvel season features a whole lot of Doctor Doom. The Absolute season includes the Marvel supervillain in the Battle Pass and adds a bunch of Doctor Doom themed location to the Fortnite map. The Absolute Doom Battle Pass will feature various heroes and villains you can obtain like War Machine, Gwenpool, and of course Doctor Doom himself. But the Battle Royale Island will also have Doom themed location you can visit like the town of Doomsday and Castle Doom, where you can find Doom's arcane gauntlet to use as a weapon. There are also more Disney crossover coming to Fortnite, including 3 Disney villains and characters from the Incredibles.